Hello everyone, today we want to show how to use an interesting tool. This tool is called solder sucker or desoldering pump. In electronics, soldering is removal of solder and component from a circuit board for troubleshooting, repair, replacement and salvage. Okay, the soldering pump or solder sucker is a manually operated device which is used to remove solder from a printed circuit board. For example, here and here. This model has a cylinder with the spring-loaded piston which is pushed down and locks into place like this. When triggered by pressing a button, the piston springs up, creating a suction that sucks the solder of the soldering connection. We test now. Before that, please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, now go to test. First step, and after melting the solder, for example, place the tip next to it. Do not be scared. The material of its tip is fireproof. Okay, go to test. And here don't be scared. This material is fireproof. That's good. The same thing you see here is a socket solder. Thank you, my friends. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video and support us. Thank you very much and goodbye.